In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide the Copilot button on the Windows taskbar. If you've noticed a Copilot or Copilot preview icon showing up on your taskbar and want a cleaner look, this quick guide will help you remove it from view without uninstalling anything or changing how your PC runs. We'll start with the fastest method right on the taskbar itself. Look for an empty space on your taskbar, meaning an area that isn't taken up by app icons, the Start button, or the System tray. Right-click that empty area to open the taskbar context menu. In the menu that appears, find the option labeled Show Copilot or Show Copilot or Preview button. Click to uncheck it. As soon as you uncheck that box, the Copilot button will disappear from the taskbar. This only hides the button. It doesn't remove Copilot from Windows, so nothing important is being disabled. If you ever see slightly different wording, that's normal. Windows updates can change labels, but the option works the same way. If you don't see the Copilot option in the right-click menu, or if you prefer using the Settings app, there's an alternative way to do the same thing. Open the Settings app, then go to Personalization and select Taskbar. In the Taskbar settings, find the Copilot switch and toggle it off. The effect is identical. The Copilot icon disappears from the taskbar, while the rest of your system stays exactly the same. A quick tip while you're in Taskbar settings: this is a great place to tidy up other taskbar elements too, like the search box or widgets. If you want a more minimal look, just remember, we're not adding extra steps here, simply noting that the Copilot toggle lives alongside those options so you know you're in the right place. If the Copilot toggle is missing or grayed out, it can be due to regional availability, a recent update that hasn't rolled out to your device yet, or settings managed by your organization on work PCs. In those cases, the option may appear later or may need administrator approval to change. That's it. By using either the taskbar's right-click menu or the settings path, Personalization Taskbar Copilot, you can quickly hide the Copilot button and keep your taskbar focused on what you use most. Thanks for watching, and if this helped you clean up your workspace, feel free to keep exploring your taskbar settings to make Windows feel just right for you.